The sun is glorious. We love its warmth on our skin. But the sun can also be dangerous. It can lead to dehydration. Dehydration happens when your body loses more fluid than it takes in. Dehydration can sneak up on you. You might not even realize it's happening until you feel unwell. Symptoms include thirst, headache, dizziness, and fatigue. In severe cases, dehydration can be life-threatening. Our bodies sweat to stay cool, especially on hot days. When we spend hours under the sun, we lose water and essential salts through sweat. This fluid loss needs to be replenished to maintain our body's balance. Think about how much you sweat on a hot day. Now imagine spending hours outside. You could be losing liters of fluid. That's why it's crucial to rehydrate properly after sun exposure. Water is your best friend when it comes to rehydration. It's readily available and does wonders for your body. When you're dehydrated, reaching for a glass of water should be your first instinct. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip on it throughout the day, especially after being in the sun. Don't wait until you feel thirsty to drink water. By then, you're already somewhat dehydrated. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge when dissolved in fluids like blood. Sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are examples of electrolytes. They play a vital role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and hydration. When we sweat, we lose not only water but also electrolytes. These electrolytes need to be replenished along with fluids to ensure proper hydration. Section 5. Beyond water. Sports, drinks, and natural wonders. While water is excellent for hydration, sometimes you need more than just plain water. Sports drinks can be helpful, especially after intense physical activity in the heat. Sports drinks contain electrolytes that are lost through sweat. They also have carbohydrates, which provide energy. However, be mindful of their sugar content. Coconut water is a natural alternative to sports drinks. It's packed with electrolytes and tastes refreshing. Section 6. Hydration heroes, fruits that quench. Nature provides us with delicious and hydrating fruits. Watermelon, oranges, strawberries, and pineapple are excellent choices. They are not only refreshing but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Watermelon, as its name suggests, has high water content. Oranges are rich in potassium, an electrolyte lost through sweat. Enjoy these fruits as snacks or incorporate them into your meals. Section 7. Refueling right. Light meals for recovery. After a long day in the sun, your body needs nourishment to recover. Opt for light meals that are easy to digest and provide essential nutrients. Avoid heavy, greasy foods that can dehydrate you further. Instead, choose salads, grilled chicken or fish, and whole grain bread. These options will provide your body with the energy it needs without overloading your digestive system. Section 8. Listen to your body. Every individual is different, and so are their hydration needs. Pay attention to your body's signals. Thirst is a clear indication that you need to drink fluids. Don't ignore the signs of dehydration. If you experience dizziness, fatigue, or a headache, take a break from the sun and rehydrate immediately. Section 9. Rehydrate and thrive. Staying hydrated is crucial for our health and well-being, especially during hot weather. By replenishing fluids and electrolytes lost through sweat, we can recover faster and enjoy our time in the sun safely. Remember to drink plenty of water, consider sports drinks or coconut water when needed, and incorporate hydrating fruits and light meals into your diet. Listen to your body and rehydrate properly to beat the heat and thrive.